Magandang araw. Let us continue our lesson. We're now in Module 2. And Module 2 is all about illustrating arithmetic sequence. Before we discuss the details about arithmetic sequence, let's first observe the following sequences. Let's begin with the sequence 4, 7, 10, and 13, and so on. Give the next two terms. The next two terms of the sequence are 16 and 19. How did you get those terms? Remember that 4, 7, 10, and 13 is a sequence. If there's a sequence, then there's a pattern. So let's look for a pattern. Let's begin by analyzing or by observing the first and the second term. The first term is 4 and the second term is 7. What will I do with 4? What will I do with 4 for me to arrive with 7? Anong gagawin ko sa 4 para yung kasunod maging 7? Pag-add ka ng 3. Kung pattern ito, try natin siya sa susunod. 7, mag-a-add ka ulit ng 3. 7 plus 3, that is 10. Tama? O yung susunod. 10 plus 3, that is 13. Tama. So, how did you get the next two terms? Simply add 3 to the previous term. Like 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. To get the next term, just simply add 3 to the previous term. So, kung ito ang previous term natin ay 13, paano makukuha yung 16? Dun sa 13, magpa-plus ka lang ng 3. 13 plus 3 is equal to 16. And then, ganun din sa 19. Next sequence, 33, 38, 43, and 48. Give the next two terms. The next two terms of the sequence are 53 and 58. How did you get those terms? We have the sequence 33, 38, 43, and 48. Let's find patterns. So, if your first term is 33, anong gagawin mo para yung susunod maging 38? Same with 38, anong gagawin mo para yung susunod maging 43? So, dito, para mapunta ka sa 38, mag-a-add ka ng 5. 33 plus 5, that is 38. Tapos dito mag-a-add ka ulit ng 5. 38 plus 5, 43. And then dun sa taas, 43 plus 5, that is 48. So how did we arrive with our answer? Just simply add 5 to the previous terms. Add 5 naman ito. Next. We have the sequence negative 2, negative 6, negative 10, and negative 14, and so on. Ma'am, mahirap may negative. May solusyon dyan. Tanggalin mo muna yung mga negative. So, tanggalin muna natin itong mga negative. I-disregard muna natin siya. Hindi natin siya tatanggalin permanently. I-disregard muna natin siya for a while. Give the next two terms. What are the next two terms? The next two terms are negative 18 and negative 22. How did you get those terms? Tingnan natin yung pattern natin. Since disregard muna natin yung negative, yung 2 at saka 6 muna, doon tayo mag-focus. 2 at saka 6. Anong ginawa sa 2 para yung susunod 6? Nag-add siya ng 4. Ma? Yung 6 at saka 10, anong ginawa? Nag-add ka din ng 4. Tapos, 10 to 14, mula 10, magiging 14, anong ginawa? Nag-add ka din ng 4. Now, next. Nung nakuha mo na kung anong i-add mo, ibalik na natin yung mga sign. Balik na natin. Yan. Since lahat ito ay negative, ibig sabihin, yung i-add mo, negative din. So, magiging negative ito. So, hindi ka na problema sa sign. So, how did you get those terms? Those terms are obtainable by adding negative 4 to the previous term. Say negative 2 plus negative 4, that is negative 6. Same with negative 6 plus negative 4, that is negative 10, and so on. Again, to arrive with negative 18 and negative 22, Just add -4 to the previous term. Next, 100, 98, 96, and 94. Give the next two terms. The next two terms are 92 and 90. How did you get those terms? So, hanap tayo ulit ng pattern. Anong ginawa dito? 100 naging 98. Tapos yung 98 naging 96. Yung 96 magiging 94. So, anong ginawa? Nagbawas ka ng 2. Tama? Nag-minus 2 ka. Nag-minus 2 ka. Correct? Or simply, nag-add ka ng -2. Okay. 100 plus -2 is equal to 98. 98 plus -2 is equal to 96. Ma'am, sabi mo nagbawas ka. Nagbawas ka. Tignan mo. Positive times negative, that is negative. So, this equation is just simply 100 minus 2. And that is equal to 98. Ayan. Siya pa rin yan. Other form lang. Now, to get the next term, add 2 to the previous term. Next example. Say 1/2, 1, 1 and 1/2, 2, and so on. Give the next two terms. I-treat mo ito as kilo ng bigas. Say, Monday, pinabilhan ka ng nanay mo ng bigas, kalahating kilo lang. Noong Tuesday, nagpabili ulit si nanay, ginawa na niya ng 1 kilo. Noong Wednesday, nagpabili ulit siya ng bigas, ginawa niya ng 1.5 kilo. Tapos, nung Thursday, nagpabili ulit si nanay, ginawa na niyang 2 kilo. Ngayon, pagdating ng Friday at saka Saturday, ilang kilo ang bibilhin mong bigas? What are the next two terms? The next two terms are 2 and 1/2 and 3. Yung 2.5, ito yung bibilin mo ng Friday, tapos yung 3 kilo, ito yung Saturday. How did you get those terms? Ano nangyari? If you will observe the pattern, just simply add 1/2 to the previous terms. Those are what we call arithmetic sequence.